meeting schedule. Okay. This part? Okay, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Because you're going to have repeated meetings with the students, please click on reoccurring. Reoccurring omits all time and date until you delete the thing. Think of this Zoom meeting as a meeting room that you're setting up, okay? And the meeting room exists as long as you leave it there. And anybody can join the meeting room, and you can leave the meeting room, but the meeting room still is there, and other people can physically, remotely join the meeting room. Susie, you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Is it generated?
Okay, so actually Susie is online looking at my screen, so he is remotely watching. So please slightly ignore that. This part is this is the remote part. Okay, so we are doing remote and actually showing you how to do it. So this is physically, virtually is a meeting that you all need to join. Okay, correct? So click on recurring meeting, give it a name. Call it whatever your class tutorial, test tutorial, call it, okay? Tutorial, whatever you want to call it, whatever, yeah. So, yes, my typing is atrocious. Test class. So, the rest of it, I normally leave blank, but I'll just go over generally what it means. Leave it to general automatic because you do not want you to use your personal, because if not, a lot of people will end up going to the same room, okay? Required meeting password is so you can block other people from joining. Maybe, yeah, if you need that option, but normally I just leave it blank, okay? You could and don't need, yes or no, okay? Leave all this to computer, audio and telephony. So then people can actually phone call in, and what? I leave it blank. This one, Google Calendar is fine. Okay? Just in the advanced option is enabled defaultly, join before host. This, please do not uncheck it, mainly because if you uncheck it, students trying to join before you start the class will complain that they can't join. Right? So they join, this is enabled default. Just in case you all start playing with advanced, please don't disable this, okay? Of all the other things, please don't disable this. Because if you disable this, they will accidentally, if the students try to join 5 minutes before you start the class, they will say, I can't join the class. Then they give up, then you're gonna have a problem. Yeah? So, then I click on, okay? Yeah. So, basic. The only thing if you recap, the only thing I click on is recurring meeting. That's it. The rest I didn't do anything. I'm just explaining. Okay? Yeah?
Host video is off. Yeah, is that correct?
Up to you. You want them to show their face or not show their face. It's up to you. Yeah? Okay. Yes. Okay? Click on schedule. They will automatically try to generate, and actually will try to go on to your your email and try to schedule it and stuff like that. This is what they're trying to do. Okay, so I just close it because I don't need it to do that for me. So I just go back to the Zoom. Okay, so how I know that I've done it, I go to meetings. Now, just now was called a test class. Test class is here now. Okay? Okay. So test class is here. So the ID, the main important part is the meeting ID is always shown here, but it's also shown here. Side here. You can copy and paste this by clicking copy invite. This is what you send to your students. Yeah? Copy. Go to put it somewhere, online, email, whatever, or you can always just put the meeting ID, which is this particular line. It's kind of hard to see, but it's always monash.zoom.us/j, which is join, / again, the room number. In this case, it's 151580713. But as you join, you auto-generate different ones, right? Okay, can you go try to schedule a meeting so we can